Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Journey to Become Wealthy. My name is Kelvin Reed, and today is Monday. The market opened and it did well today. We also have some positive news, positive catalysts on Tesla, plus some news that kind of just give you something to think about, right? So before I get too far into it, you guys take a moment, like, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so that you get notified about the videos. All right, let's talk about it, right? Let's talk about it. So Tesla wants to split its stock so it can pay a stock dividend shares gain. So basically this means that Tesla's gonna split their stock and then they're gonna give the people who own their stock some extra shares, right? A stock dividend, not an actual dividend like other companies where they give you cash for owning their stocks. Instead, they're gonna give you extra shares of their stock after the split. So that's a stock dividend. So that's pretty cool, right? The SEC filing said that the electric car maker will ask at its annual shareholders meeting for an increase in the number of authorized shares of common stock in order to enable a stock split of the company's common stock in the form of a stock dividend. Tesla's last split its stock in August 2020. The shares have more than doubled since that 5-for-1 split took effect on August 31, 2020. Since their last split, again, they went booming, right? Since 2020, Tesla has gone through the moon. So this stock split is definitely a major thing. It's positive for them because now more people can afford it. On top of the fact they're giving the stock dividends, so they're actually paying people extra shares for owning their stock. So aside from the split, so that's pretty awesome. So a stock dividend is a dividend paid to shareholders in the form of additional company shares instead of cash. These dividends do not affect the value of a company, but they dilute its share price. In other words, if there's a 6-for-1 split, investors will get a stock dividend of 5 shares for every 1 share of Tesla they own. This would be a one-time event, so that's pretty cool, right? That means you get more shares, you get to become a larger owner, you get a bigger piece of the pie of Tesla. Now, this is where this gets crazy to me, right? Let's talk about it. Nancy Pelosi. As Tesla stock rises, House Speaker Nancy Pelosi exercises options to buy 2 million Tesla shares. 2 million Tesla shares. Nancy Pelosi. This was 5 days ago on the 23rd. 5 days before Tesla announces its stock split, she exercises her call options, means she actually trades her calls in for the actual options. So she now has $2 million worth of Tesla stock, right? So a regulatory filing revealed Pelosi disclosed her husband's purchase of more than $2 million in Tesla stock last week. A periodic transaction report of Pelosi's purchase showed that she exercised 25 call options, 2,500 shares at a strike price of $500, worth about $2.2 million at the time. Pelosi digitally signed the transaction on March 21st, 2022, right before the Giga Berlin event. Nancy Pelosi, either this lady know the future or she got some inside information, y'all. She has some inside information. 5 days before Tesla announces this, she exercised her call options, and now Tesla price shoots up. Tesla price shoots up to about $1,000 some now, right? Let's see what Tesla's hitting on today. As of right now, Tesla is at $1,091, right? Last week it was not worth that. So let's check it out. Let's see what Tesla was worth last week. On last week, on the 23rd is when we got the news, right? So on the 23rd, this joker closed at still under $1,000. So if it was 2 million, and right, let's pull out a calculator, right? We saw 2,500 shares, 2,500. So if it was $1,000 at the time, 2,500 times $91. Let me 2,500 times 91. So that's another $227,500 that she got just based on if she has 2 million shares at $1,000 each. At $1,000 each, this lady just made $227,000 in 5 days. Y'all, it's some money to be made out here in this stock market. These people are really opportunity. We have to take advantage of the opportunity. Is the wealthy word of the week. Opportunity. Y'all listen to me, talk to me. All right, so aside from that, let's get into it, right? See what the market did. The market ended pretty flat but green on today, right? Dow Jones is up 0.27%, the S&P 500 up 0.71%, the Nasdaq up 1.31%, and the Russell's up 0.0037%. So pretty much the market was flat. I lost some money this morning because I was working and just got caught up in it and lost it. But hey, that's okay, right? We're gonna make it back. I lost about $320 today. It happens, right? It's a part of the game. But the point of it is to win more than you lose. Win more than you lose. So I plan on making that back up tomorrow. The only reason I did not get a chance to do a screenshot because I was in a hurry to get out of it before I went into a meeting. So I got to screenshot the losses with the wins. And I'm going to let y'all know that, right, every time. Got to take the losses with the wins. So it's all good. However, my portfolio was up today because y'all see Neo, SoFi, all of these companies, pretty much everything was green. However, it was flat, so there was no massive gains. One thing I did want to kind of update you guys on was our fear and greed index. Let's check it out, right? And we are now at a 49. And what I told y'all, as we keep going to this right, the closer we get to this extreme greed, the more you're going to start to see the stock market boom. You're going to see the stock market boom. So we're going to start to see more green days, guys. Last week on Friday, it ended at a 46. Today, it ended at a 49. What we need to see is this thing get over here to this right side of the needle, of the chart, or the odometer, whatever you want to call it. And that's when we're going to start seeing stuff going to the moon. Crypto did good today. Look at it. Bitcoin up 4%, up to $47,000, y'all. Y'all hope you guys take an opportunity. I've been talking about crypto for every week. Let's talk about it. Terra Luna up 8%, $99. Y'all, hopefully y'all ain't missing out on all this good money that's out here to be made. I know it's scary, but take the time, educate yourself, get in here, begin investing. I mean, I tell people all the time, we don't take things serious until we put our money in it. And when we put our money in it, that's when it just really becomes a part of what we're doing. So you guys take the time, invest $20. Hey, see what it does for you. Practice. Shiba Inu back up 4 zeros and 28 cents. Y'all, it's going crazy. Up 13%. Chronos, formerly known as Crypto.com, up 4%. We have Ethereum up 5%, $3,400, and we just saw this thing down there to $2,300, $2,400, $2,500 all around. Cardano up 6.89%. Let's see, Mana up 4.31%. Where's Sandbox? Sandbox up 3.91%. Y'all, it's just way too many opportunities out here to be made. It's just money everywhere, right? Money everywhere. So what I will do is let's check out our stock heat map. Because I didn't pull it up. I was not prepared to talk about it. But let's check it out, right? Let's see what the rest of the market was doing. Because we see our indexes were flat, but what is our heat map showing us? What are the companies that we like doing? Apple up 0.5%, Microsoft up 2.31%, Facebook is up 0.8%, and Facebook is actually where I lost my money at because it came down first part this morning. I was trading the call option. I was betting that it would go up. It actually came down. And before I got into the meeting, I could try and hold it throughout the day, but I never know how it's going to move. It actually came back up, so if I continued to hold, I would have made my money back. But hey, it's fine, right? Again, I'll make it back tomorrow, no big deal. Google up 0.3%. Our financials are actually down today. Which is surprising me, especially saying that the interest rate hikes and the job reports are coming up, which you would think would kind of push the financials up more. Healthcare is actually up a little bit today. Consumer cyclical, Amazon doing its thing. Tesla, of course, booming. Y'all, I'm so hurt because, again, this is another one of those things where I got to start following my gut. You guys, last Friday, I told myself, Kelvin, I had a call option on my watch list. On Friday, before market close, I said, Kelvin, you should buy this call option since you put on your watch list. It's already up $100. I'm pretty sure it's going to go up next week, and it was to expire this Friday on the 1st of April. And sure enough, I didn't do it. I allowed the market to close without getting it. And look at it. This thing ran up. This morning when I looked at the call option on my watch list, it was up $3,000. It would have cost me $1,400 to buy one, but it was up $3,000. You guys, I gotta start following my gut and just kind of doing whatever it is that I put my first mind. This right here wouldn't. Y'all know I had one single tear coming down my face knowing that I missed out on that money because I didn't trust myself. And again, hey, sometimes I don't want to go hold things through the weekend, but that is the one time where it really would have paid off. Another time where I wish I would have took a screenshot and showed you guys that with the potential money that could have been made if I had just listened to myself, my first mind. But hey, it's all good with more opportunities in the future. more opportunities in the future, and we're going to take advantage of every opportunity that's coming our way. Amazon up 2.56, Baba up 1.86, Walmart up 1.78, and look at the energy sector. It is coming back down, you guys. It is coming back down. I believe oil is now down to $103 a barrel, so hopefully we should see these gas prices come down a little bit. Hopefully the gas stations and the corner stores do not want to continue bending us over the way they have been doing. So that's what we got, you guys. It's just a lot of exciting stuff happened today, this Monday, in the stock market, and I figured I'd share it with y'all. So I thank you guys for joining me on the journey to become wealthy. Hopefully you like this video. If so, like, share with your friends, and y'all just have a good day, and I'll see y'all later.